Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. It is another great video. Today I am going to be sharing with you how I make my fantastic onions juice. This onions juice will grow your hair faster. It will make it longer and fuller, so stay tuned. So guys, welcome back. We are going to be using red onions for this DIY. You can also use white onions for this DIY, but today I am going to be using red onions. So we're going to start by cutting our onions. So I have had my natural hair now for a long time, and onions juice is one of the things I use on my hair. It's one of the good DIY that I use on my hair, and a couple of you have been asking me to share my hair tip, and some of you say they are planning on going natural, so I will be sharing what I use from time to time. So guys, after I finish cutting it, I have added it inside the blender and I have just added 1 cup of water. I am going to blend it now. So now after blending it, I am going to try to separate the onions juice out. You have to do this and make sure there is no tiny bit of onions in it, so it will not be caught in your hair. So like I was saying, I have received a couple of messages about share my hair tip, and instead of me answering the question one by one, I feel like the best thing to do is to start doing a video showing what I use on my hair and how I apply it on my hair. In that way everybody can see the video instead of replying to one message and then replying to another message. So yes, after I have finished blending it, now I am going to put it inside the container. You need something that you can easily apply it on your hair because it's water is hard to apply on your hair without dripping all over the place. So find yourself a small container, something that you can easily use it and apply on your hair. So now this is the time for me to start applying it on my hair. Please do this when your hair is dirty, on a day that you want to go and wash your hair. That is when you do this, but you can also do it when your hair is clean, but then you do have to go and wash your hair because it's not a leave-in. It's something that you do and then go wash your hair out. It's not a leave-in conditioner. So now I am applying it all over my hair. Today is my hair wash day, so I'm gonna do that first, then before I go wash my hair out. So onions juice provide extra sulfur that supports strong and thicker hair when you add it down to your scalp, and at the very root of your hair. That is where you need to add it, and it will provide your hair with sulfur that helps to grow and thicken your hair. Onion juice also help you to prevent hair loss, and it also promotes hair growth. So this is very important when it comes to natural hair routine. If you're looking for something to grow your hair, and also if you're somebody that is also losing hair, this also helps you from losing your hair. So it is good treatment to be doing on your natural hair. And the sulfur from the onions may also help to promote collagen production, and collagen is help our healthy skin cells and also help with hair growth as well. So overall for me, onions is a very healthy thing for me when it comes to my natural hair. Like I do this let's say every 2 weeks or every 3 weeks. So it's good to add it into your regimen if you are somebody that's trying to go natural, or you're already natural but you're trying to get fuller, thicker hair. Then this is definitely a wonderful DIY. So guys, after applying this on your hair, just cover your hair up and leave it for 15 minutes. You can cover it up with shower cap and leave it for 15 minutes and then go and then wash your hair out. Yeah, that is all I do when it comes to my onions juice. Is very simple. And for those of you that has requested that I share the shampoo and the conditioner that I use Tresemme 2-in-1 shampoo. It is shampoo and conditioner together, and that is why I love the shampoo. It cleans your hair without leaving it dry. That is why I love it. And for the conditioner is the one that has the pro vitamin B and aloe vera. That is the one I use, and it's just a normal old regular shampoo and conditioner. It is not natural, but it has worked for me, so I would recommend you find something that works for your hair. Like this washes, condition, and leave my hair very soft. That is why I love it. Anyway guys, thank you so much for stopping by. Please do not forget to like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you all on my next one. Thank you. Bye.